Babies usually smell like milk, but not by literally washing your face with it, kiddo.
Don't climb up my leg, I don't have it.
These kittens are sealed and can't run around, so they decided to turn their pain into pure joy.
Sweetie, it's right. Look, look.
Just the little orange cat judging the big one for not causing chaos like they're supposed to.
Let go. You lost in the sauce nugget.
Your ancestors would be disappointed when you're this scared of an electronic mouse toy. Someone heard that snakes can pop out of toilets and wants to protect their human.
Bro, I can't even work out in peace, bro. What are you doing? Yo, what is she doing, dude?